Good morning. Back in Staten Island. Oh, where's he come? Yo, my mother is too big at this big age to be littering. I'm back in Staten Island with my beautiful daughter and my mom. We are going to Dollar Tree because there's a few things I need for these kids towards school. And I just want to see what they have. Because I live in a city, there's no Dollar Tree there. Okay.
Mama,
we made it to Dollar Tree.
Screaming because then you said look at you.
Who looked at me?
When you said kiss me.
Kiss me? Oh. I don't care.
Like don't do it in front of people.
Oh, you don't want me to do it in front of people?
No. Talk about what you said.
What? Like, give me a kiss. Loud? Okay. Don't say, okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness. Before you didn't care. Okay, I won't do it. I'm always so loud about it. That's why Zion, he don't give me kisses at all. I don't even know if I want Zion to kiss me. Ooh wee. Let's get a card. That's one thing about old Dollar Tree. There'll never be enough cards. Come on, Mom, it's card right there. Okay, oh, look. Exactly what I'm looking for, y'all. The caddy. We need the caddy. Yeah? What? I need the... I'm going. What color? We need one. To put, like, the pencils. What color you want? This color? Pink is cute. Right? Okay. Those. Okay. Come on, Grandma said to. Oops, sorry. Let's go over here.
Born to stand out. Just
the little journals.
I love it.
These are cute. I just came across. Oh, that's cute. This is cute. For like your hot chocolate, right? To put on top, little marshmallows. That's cute. Look what I came across. I've never seen white cake. Ever. Yeah, something going on. Come on, boo-boo. Something going on. Because I do kind of like the... Oh, what's this? Caramel apple? No, thank you.
I thought it was a pistachio.
I thought it was pistachio. Me too. Caramel. These are good. Werther's creamy caramel.
I've had these before. Laffy Taffy.
This way. Oh, Lord. Huh, Papa?
It had 0 sugar.
Yeah, no sugar. That's good.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Y'all always want sugar, 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 sugar. What's that?
If you
Hawaiian punch. If I want to make fruit punch, she's funny.
If. Whenever time you want to.
Oh, no, that ain't for me. Because I don't want to make fruit punch.
Okay.
But I guess that's for you. These kids. Watch yourself. What's wrong with these pitney? Alright, let me show y'all what I got from Dollar Tree. I went there for a few school stuff. But they had stuff, but there's certain things that I know I have to get from Staples. So, but what I brought from there, got some highlighters. I got a stapler. I got a scissor. Purple is pretty. I got this notebook, composition notebook. I got like all these different things on it. Royalty picked this out. This is scented perfume marker. Oh, scented perfume highlighters. And I got some band-aids. They got a weird name. Uchi glow in the dark. I also got, what is this? A 21 count first aid kit. I thought this was cute. It's like tie-dye. You have kids, you always need something like that. She picked up this Dress Up Girls. So it got like different outfits. And the girl is in the back.
This guy is on video with no shirt on. Tell me why.
I got some tape. Had to pick me up some candies. Some Werther's Original. Got this for my vitamins. That's how I know I'm getting older. Royce picked up this Hawaiian Punch. Pour it in your water. She picked up Strawberry Shortcake Lip Balm Duo. Such a girly girl. This little, what is this, Royalty? Like a keychain clip. Yeah.
You got one.
Mini drink cup.
Did you get the one?
It's cute. I guess she'll put it on her iPad.
And my
or
Barbie.
something.
Don't forget my Barbie.
And she got a scrunchie.
All of my stuff is half pink, guys.
Got some nails. Those are Royalties. These are mine. Because I don't know what was going on with my nails the other day. See, they all off now. Then we went inside Family Dollar and I got some paper clips because I'm going to need those. I also got some rubber bands. Gonna need those.
My Barbie.
And some of these
Mama,
clear push pins. Gonna need those.
you didn't check out
And
my
some more
Barbie.
tape. Gonna need
Mom,
them.
what about my Barbie?
And if you forgot that, the phone for,
I didn't forget.
alright.
That's yours. Oh, I this. Royalty also picked out some mouthwash, Barbie,
Bubblegum.
of course, bubblegum flavor. I got my son a water bottle. Is he gonna use it? 9 out of 10. Probably not, but I got it for him anyway. The caddy, I finally got one. And what is it? Where it said, what's the name of the store? Michael's. Michael's wanted like $13 for this. $1.25. So I'll put like crayons, pencils, brushes, markers, like in each section. And it'll go on top of her rack. I also got this. Oh, this is what I broke. My big heavy self sat down on it. It's okay. What is this? Oh, letter tray, yeah. So I got this to put on one of her shelves so that she knows when to grab her printout sheet. She knows what she got to do for that day.
What's broken?
And also, is that it? Yeah. And she got some Jell-O.
I can't hear nothing.
So, my mother's on the phone, so I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. And yeah, I'll get back to y'all when she's done. I tried to put some nails on. It wasn't. They popped right off. That's what you get for $1.25 in the Dollar Tree. That scrunchie look cute in your hair though.
Snowflake.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Oh, my hat. Snow.
I really used to be a Victoria's Secret girly.
Stay over there.
With the body splash and the lotions. Yeah, perfume. And designer perfume is good. But I also like a good body sprays. And even like the Saltaire. I think that's what it's called.
Are you doing the video?
And some of the, yeah. I mean, I'm talking out loud, though. And the EOS's. I just want to get on top of all my body sprays. Because even when I have, like, perfume, I'm not a person who really run through it. I would prefer to spray a body spray than a perfume. But I like perfume when I'm going out. If that makes sense. I like perfume when I'm going out. Not like when I'm just starting my day or I'm going to run errands. So, I want some from Victoria's Secret. I want the Saltaire. And I want EOS lotions and body sprays. Yeah. So, gotta get on top of it. Right after I finish getting everything for schooling, then somebody got a birthday coming up. My mother's birthday is coming.
Not mine.
My mother's birthday is September 11th.
Yeah, we know that.
Somebody sound like it's a little hate.
I'm not hating.
Why you being salty then? They don't know that. That's what I'm telling them. So why you saying, yeah, we know that? You know that.
Yeah, I was talking about all of us.
Yeah, but I'm not even talking to you.
You're talking to yourself, by the way, because you're on a camera.
Okay. And they say have children. It's very rewarding. My mother says she wants some perfume.
Mommy, I put a new hairstyle. Look.
Cute. She wants some perfume.
Guys, you want to see my baby blender?
Zion's birthday is coming. He wants another Oculus.
Yeah. What's this bump
Where?
on your toe?
Stop, my little corn. Why you? Yo.
Sorry. Excuse me.
Leave.
Ew. Get your
Leave. What
away
is
from
wrong
me.
with this child?
Stay right there.
So beautiful. My little Ross baby. Yeah, so stop, please.
One more time.
Tomorrow we're gonna go to the pool. You better get up. If you don't get up, I'm leaving you. You staying right here with grandma. You ready for us to go home, ma?
Put that, no.
Oh, okay.
When I'm ready, you're gonna know. Trust me.
Probably tomorrow.
No, it ain't tomorrow.
Trust me.
Trust me.
I ain't going home no time soon.
No, that's inaccurate. That's not true. You are going home.
I moved, y'all. Stay tuned to the apartment tour.
No. They done seen enough of this place. Let me see if you can fit down.
Okay, old lady. Yo, you're so annoying. My you. That's when I know you get it. Oh, you be fixated on stuff.
That's right. Prepare yourself. I'm getting old.
The floor is still
Can you
dry.
move your big butt away from me?
No.
Can you move your big butt?
Mm-hmm.
Can you move, please? Excuse me.
No.
I want to be with you. Point to your
You didn't want
headache.
to be with her earlier. So
No.
why you
She
wanna
did.
be with her
Yeah.
now?
Why you want to be with me now?
Two-Faced.
I don't know.
Grandma said you two-faced. Are you?
Yeah.
The one that does.
Muy bien. That's how you doing.